6 divide 8 gives us 2. 4 divide 2 gives us 2. Then 2 divide 2 gives us 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to order of operation, first we do parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication or division. After that, addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have a equal priority and work from left to right. So we do from left to right. First 16 divide 8 divide 4 divide 2. 8 cancel to 16 2. So 2 divide 4 divide 2. Now 2 divide 4. 2 upon 4 divide 2. Here we apply KCF rule. K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. It means when we denominator change into numerator and numerator change into denominator, also division convert into multiplication. So 2 upon 4 multiply, now here 1 upon 2. It means 2 cancel to each other 1. So the final answer is 1 upon 4. This is the right answer.